You came from being a supermodel, the world's first plus size supermodel. What shifted for you that you said, I have to really love my body the way it is today and accept myself and unapologetically live my life?
It's a real individual journey to finally say, I'm done with the fight. I'm into acceptance, and I'm going to accept my body. For me and my body are girlfriends united, and no one is going to come asunder and try and break us up, because this is my best friend. If you're willing to be gutsy and you're willing to truly be your best friend, it's a game changer.
Game changer.
Anyone that tells you how to be right, anyone that tells you that you need to be different or to fit in this way or to this, that's an opportunity to go, do I put energy here, or do I just go kick up my heels and enjoy my life